किसी भी मनुष्य की वर्तमान स्थिति को देखकर उसके भविष्य का मजाक मत उड़ाओ, क्योंकि काल में इतनी शक्ति है कि वो असाधारण से दिखने वाले कोयले को भी धीरे धीरे हीरे में बदल देती है।
So hello everyone, this is Amit and you are watching Study with Amit. So I welcome you to our digital classroom. So today we are here with the topic structure of chromosomes part 3. So today we will know about the cell division or how cell division takes place. So cell division. Cell division. Cell division is divided into two phases, what we call mitosis and diploid cells and haploid or gametes are involved in this type of division. First we will discuss about mitosis. So phases of mitosis. The two phases are karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Now, karyokinesis is division of nucleus and cytokinesis, from the word cyto, means division of cytoplasm. Division of nucleus and division of cytoplasm. So copy down, further we will know about the karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Karyokinesis. Karyokinesis takes place in four phases. That is, first, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. So these four cell division takes in these four phases: prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. Prophase, before this there is interphase, so that occurs before this interphase. So after that, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. So in prophase, so first, before this cell, nucleus, mitochondria, this is an animal cell. So in prophase, what happens? Centromeres are visible and nuclear membrane disappears, and these are esters. This is the case for prophase. After this, in metaphase, chromatids arrange themselves in a single line one, two, three, four. So arrange them in a single line, and the esters are present here. Esters are present. So in this centrosomes, or what we call it, chromatids, are in single line in an equator. So this is called metaphase. In anaphase, what happens that it divides and reaches two poles. These divide and separates into two. Furrow occurs in this anaphase. After this, what happens in telophase? This divide into two and form a new cell. Two new cells are formed. So this is only about this mitosis in animals, but it is here. This comes in between. So in this also, all will come in between 4, and in this it will divide into two parts, and in next the furrow in this also it will occur, and in next phase it will be a new plant cell. So this is about cell division in animals and plants. Now today's last part is difference between animals and plant cell. So first difference between animal and plant cell is that in animal cell esters are formed. In animal cells, esters are formed. Esters we have seen this type of structure, star type structure. This is ester inside the cell. In this esters are not formed. It takes place by forming, and it takes place by cell plates formation. By forming and cell plates formation. And the third and the last difference between these two are this: in animal cells the cell division takes place throughout the body, in this it takes place throughout the body, and in plant cells it takes place in the growing tips. So thanks for watching this video.